Hi guys, welcome to episode 30 of the Peer-to-Peer Network coding session series. Okay, at this episode, we are going to be working on moving this node that is under the governance system to the network, under the governance project to the network project. Okay, that is one of the things we are going to be doing. I don't really know why if I put Control Shift Alt F12, this should log something there, but it's not doing it. Whatever. The way I'm going to confirm that this is Alt Governance is by looking up here, not foundations, not network. Well, network I will need it. Governance. So the name is Permissioned Peer-to-Peer Network. Okay. Permission, peer-to-peer networks, network, permission group, permission granted. All this structure of nodes, I need to migrate them. So because there is no interest on keeping the current structure, oh, sorry, I didn't change to the other view. This is what we need to migrate. Permission, peer-to-peer network, all this structure. Okay, so okay, there are no user of this sample, so I can delete it. Save my plugin. And move. Where was this? Permission. Move these guys to the network project that is here. Okay. So what we're going to do is remove this. And we are going to open these people, but here. First, removing all this. So we open that one. Okay. So I'm starting by the user profile. Here, this is going to be network. And the child will belong to the network project. Then we go to the next one, permission networks. So the child is going to be network, and the project of the child property is going to be network. So this is the menu item, and this is the child definition. So let's get into this one. Also network. I'm going to do the child first, the children first. This has no children. Okay. Then the menu items definitions. Permission group is network. Permission granted network. Permission group network. Okay. So the next thing is to move the icons. Does this have icons? Okay, let's assume it had icons. We will get the icons of the governance project. Okay, here we are. This guy, this, and this. Should we move to all this? All right. All right. So now we have all the changes. Let's try them out. Okay. Okay, and here we are. We have the host structure redefined as belonging to network. Okay, that was cool. Okay. What is next on the list? So this task is done. Okay. What I was thinking was if all this stuff should be governance. Because what is governance? Governance is already a complex system, and I don't want to extend it to extend its reach to other domains. So this looks like a framework for having user applications that can interact with each other via a peer-to-peer network. Okay, so the first set of applications are the social trading desktop app and blah blah blah, a mobile app, a server app, and everything we are saying that we will have. But this might grow into a whole ecosystem of applications. So what I'm going to do is to create a project called user apps, okay, where we are going to have at least all these definitions first. And then we might have code also, but that's what we're going to do. So as to leave governance only to the process of governance program and voting and all that stuff. Okay. Okay, so how do we create a project? Well, it's not that difficult. We're going to document it in this video. You just come here and we add a new folder, user apps. This folder is going to have icons, it's going to have schemas, and schema is going to have app schemas. So let's check it out. App schema only in singular. So it's important to respect exactly the same folder structure, otherwise things are not going to work. Okay, that's on this side. Second thing to create a new project is you need to go to the project schema file, this one, and add the new project, most likely at the end. Okay, the last project that has been added is called simulation. And here we're going to add user user apps. User apps. This project is not going to have code, which is quite strange. It's the first one I see like this. It's not going to have code for now. Okay, but still need to exist. Another thing that we do, or I do, is that I add the project, add the list of project here at the GitHub organization. Sorry, not there, here. So here is the complete list of projects that exist and that are um, on the pipeline. Okay, so I will add a new project of this type. It's going to be called user apps, and the description would be user apps are applications So these are the main properties of user apps. Are application belonging to the SuperAlgo ecosystem, available to users. These applications are ready to communicate with each other via the peer-to-peer network. Okay. The first example, well, the platform is a user app, the task server is a user app, and the social trading desktop app is a user app. Okay. So this is how this get defined. I also keep a blog post with all the with all the list of projects. Okay, so I'm going to update this so that I keep it updated. This is the way I do it. Edit stories. Okay, it would be part of the list of current projects. So I would add one more, 14, user. Okay, so now I can create this, and that's it. So that's how we have this stuff. So the next thing is that I need to move all these schema files into into the new project. So how do we do that? Not difficult. All of this is today at governance. Okay, let me first commit the changes of permissioned. Yeah. Let's clean this stuff. Then the next thing is we're going to locate governance. Okay, so user app is one. Then we have desktop mobile is on server app. Server, mobile, and desktop app. So we'll move this first. We are at governance, and this has to go to user apps. Okay. What else? Social trading, desktop app, algo traders platform, social trading mobile app, social trading server app. Okay. Let's go to see this social trading, desktop app, mobile, and server. All these go. Okay, social trading, then algo traders platform, task server app, and that's it. So task server app, algo traders platform. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is to move the icons. So icons of governance icons. We had first user apps, desktop, mobile, and server app. User apps, mobile, desktop, and server apps. Then social trading desktop app, social trading mobile app, social trading server app. Then tax server app, and Algo Traders platform app. That probably should be Algo Trader's platform app to be consistent. Okay, so all of these guys are going to the new project user apps. Then we have tax server app reference. Okay, I was using this. I was using these two guys to connect a task and a bot to a social trading bot when doing trading signals. Okay, so this shouldn't be of governance. I will take them too. And I will have to take the schemas too. So let's move this. User apps, icons, social trading bot reference, and tax server app reference. Social trading bot reference, task server app reference. Okay. So this is all I need to move. Um, Question is, do I need to preserve this structure? Probably not, because I just can recreate this. Okay. Okay. So let's start the transformation. Okay. We will need user apps. We need user apps. We also need user profile from here because it's the parent of user apps. Then we need desktop app, mobile apps, and server apps. Then we need social trading desktop app, mobile app, server app, Then Algo Traders platform. It should be app. Then the task server app. And then finally the references. Social trading bot reference, task server reference. Okay, so I'm going to put the last ones down here, down here, down here. Okay, so now we have everything we need. So let's go. This is going to be user apps as a project. So we change the menu and we change the child definition, always the same stuff. User apps, okay. So this guy is gone. Okay. So we have the first layer. They are all from the project user apps. This guy, we're going to be explicit, saying that it belongs to governance, okay? Otherwise, we might have some problem there. These two don't have children. Okay. So next is this line. Every menu item needs to be checked. I go trade this platform. Okay, I need to remember to rename these for app. Social trading app. Okay. Mobile app. Okay. So all the menu items are set. Now the last thing I want to do is the Algo Traders platform, rename it for Algo Traders platform app to be consistent with task server app and social trading, mobile app, desktop app, and so on. So here, Algo Traders platform, we will add the app. So we change the type and we change the name, and we need to change the name of parent is app, and who is the parent? Algo Trader platform app. Desktop apps is the parent. So at desktop apps we have social trading, Algo Traders platform app, and here app and app. Okay, so this is pretty much everything that is needed to get this moved to its own project. We are going to test this. I'm not sure I want to lose this structure and recreate it, but probably recreating it is good. I'm going to create a backup, but recreating also is good idea because that make me test all the it makes me test all the menu items. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, say plugin. Okay, so far so good. Um, okay, something is missing here. Okay, I don't need more than this. What happened to this guy? Algo Traders Platform App. Okay, the icon was not renamed. Algo Traders Platform App. Okay, so now I need to sign again, install signing accounts. And then I have all these guys. Okay, here's the problem. Algo Trader Platform app was not found by the process that generates the signing accounts. That was unexpected, but I think we can fix it. Okay, this is not the place. So first I'm going to commit this. Move of App Schema its own product. Okay, so what we're going to do is to locate at the governance system UI function libraries, not function library, but node action functions. We're going to locate the profile constructor. Okay, we can close all this stuff. Create sign-in account. This somewhere has, at least this is what I'm looking. Task server app, social persona, peer-to-peer network node, Algo platform app. Okay, it was looking for a type that doesn't exist anymore. So it just didn't work. So we are coming back here, refreshing. And now we have our profile with all good. We will recalculate this. Remember, you can install your sign account as many times as you want. All the signing account signatures are replaced by new ones because you get new private keys for the identity of all of this stuff. And it doesn't have any effect on your applications running. Okay, so good. This is fixed. This was fixed. And we have finalized our process of moving everything out of governance. Okay. We finalized the process of moving all this out of governance. We're going to check that this is working by running again this and running again this. Okay, network working. Perfect. This is what we used to have. So all is working. So we finish user apps as a project by itself. There is another task that I have for myself that probably can be done now. That is refactoring of desktop app to social trading desktop app. Okay, because then I have a lot of tasks that are more intensive. So I will do these small ones first. Then we have very interesting tasks. Okay, so let's refactor this desktop. Today we have here desktop. As the starting script, but this is too generic. So let's first let's remove everything we don't need. Okay, so we have desktop, then desktop root. And then we have desktop app. And we also have a folder that is called desktop. Okay. And everything else is like Everything else is okay. Everything else is okay. So what we're going to do is this guy. We're going to rename it for social trading desktop app. Okay. Social trading desktop app. And this is going to call social trading desktop root. Hold on. There's a conflict here because social trading is also the name of a project. And by naming the application like this, it's kind of implying that the application is only related to that project. Um, Not sure that I want to do this because the same application is going to be used for signals and for other stuff. So I don't think I'm going to do this now because this might evolve in a different direction and accumulate more functionality. So for now, it's the Super Algos desktop app, even though we already name it at the user apps structure. Okay, I'm not going to touch this because it's not clear. If it were 100% clear, I would do it. So, not now. So this and this, I will discard it. The profile change it. I will commit it. Okay, so I'm not going to do this refactor. We will continue talking about the desktop app until we discover exactly what that means. Still, the platform is not called Algo Traders platform. So we will leave this problem for the future. Okay. So what else do we have? At my list, checking out my list, it says when broadcasting social trading events, we should take into account who is following the event emitter and not just send the events to everyone. We already started that and we leave it to make a lot of changes. So probably at the next session I will work into that. Then it says broadcasts to clients should take into account not only the WebSocket client connected to, so it's like the same stuff for events but also for signals. Then send signal to other network nodes. That is not done. Then events need to be signed by the social persona or social trading bot emitting them so that peer interface we can validate they are not forged. Okay, this is also important. And check that the social handles are unique at the peer level, at the bot merging the peer. Okay, so what I see is that we have finished this episode now, and at the next episode we going to be working on the 4 or 5 big tasks that we have. That means that we are not far away from finishing the second iteration of the peer-to-peer network, at least from what I see at my list. Okay, so thank you for watching this one and see you at the next one.